Hello, welcome to CREATA CLASSES. In this lecture, we will cover question 1 of exercise 13.1 chapter statistics for class 10th students. So this is the question. One advice that you can follow before taking on the question. In every question, a table will be given in which the range and the frequency will be given. Do not directly jump with the formula. While seeing the table, you will get the temptation that you got the observation, you got the frequency. Now you can start applying the formula. But my advice is that firstly read the full question. What is the basic concept? What is the understanding in the question? And what they are asking and why they are asking. It is generally said that mathematics is not having the practical implication. But believe me, once you read the full question, you will understand the practical significance of the question. Here, like in this question, it is given a group of students as part of their environmental awareness program, in which they collect the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. In this question, a group of students is doing some environmental awareness program in which they are going to each houses in their society and they are asking how many plants you are having in your house. And further, we have to find the mean of the plants per house. If you observe on the top side, it is given number of plant. On the second row, it is given number of houses. Like 0 to 2, 1. It means only one house is having the number of plant in the range of 0 to 2. It means that house, that is only single house, is having either no plant, one plant or two plant. We do not know. The range is given from 0 to 2. Similarly, if you go to the second column, two number of houses are having the plant in the range of 2 to 4. If you read the complete table, you will observe that 6 houses, that is the biggest number, 6 houses are having the plant in the range of 8 to 10. Even some houses like 2 houses and 3 houses are having the plant in the range of 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. This data shows that that society is having many houses in which they are having many plants. Only few houses in the society which are having either nil or very few plants. Rest, that society is well aware of the environmental concern and they are having the larger number of plants. This analysis is not required to solve the question. But believe me, once you are able to read and analyze the question, you will be better able to solve the question and you will be able to build a proper mathematical mindset to solve the question. This is very important as you grow further in your career. Okay? So let's solve this question. Firstly, let's convert the rows to the column. Our first column, it will be the number of plant, that is the range. And the second, it is number of houses, that is the frequency. Note that what is frequency? Frequency is how many times our observation are repeating. Here number of houses will be the frequency. That is how many times our observation, that is number of plants are repeating. For example, in this case, two number of houses are having the plant in the range of 2 to 4. That is the observation, it is repeating 2 times. That is 2 houses are having the number of plant in the range of 2 to 4. Got it? So we got Fi, that is the number of houses. Firstly, let's calculate Xi, that is the observation. And what is observation? Observations are the midpoint of the range. Here our range is 0 to 2, the midpoint it will be 1. The range 2 to 4, the midpoint it will be 3, that is the midpoint between 2 and 4. 4 to 6, the midpoint will be 5. 6 to 8, the midpoint will be 7. Similarly, you will calculate the midpoint. If we are having the larger number, we will use the formula like upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Here 0 to 2, it will be 0 plus 2 upon 2, which is 1. 2 to 4, it will be 2 plus 4 upon 2, that is 3. The lower range plus higher range upon 2. Here we are having a simple number, so we can easily find the midpoint just by looking at the range. It will help in easing the calculation. So we got Xi, that is the observation. Next we will calculate Fi into Xi, that is we will multiply Fi into Xi. Let's do the multiplication. 1 into 1, it is 1. 2 into 3, it is 6. 1 into 5, it is 5. 5 into 7, it is 35. Similarly 54, 22 and 39. We have multiplied Fi into Xi. Further we have to calculate the mean. Let's go with the first method. We are having three methods. Let's go with the first method, that is a direct method. The formula, it is sum of fi into xi upon sum of fi. We need the addition of fi into xi. Let's do the addition of fi into xi. We got sigma fi into xi, that is the addition of fi into xi, as 162. In the denominator, we have to find the sum of fi, that is the addition of all the frequencies, which is 20. So we got numerator and denominator. Let's put it and apply. We got the mean as 8.1. That is the answer. The average or the mean number of plants per house. So we can say this society is having the average or the mean as 8.1, the number of plants per house. Got it? The next part of the question is asking which method did you use for finding the mean and why? The answer is that we have used the direct method, and why we have used this because our calculation are easy in doing this. If the calculation are tough, then only we will go to the next method, that is the fi into di, the assumed mean method. If there also the calculation are tough, then we will go to fi into ui, that is a step deviation method. Got it? So the answer is that the calculations are simple. We are able to easily add and multiply all the terms, so we have used the direct method. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If so, please like, share and subscribe. And also check out the description for various resources related to class 10, like the continuing lecture, the lectures related to other topics, and the PDF of the formula list. All this in the description, check it out. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Have a great day. Bye for now.